In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort by modification date on Google Sites. So start by heading over to sites.google.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the homepage, you can see an area or section that says recent sites. This is where you can see the list of sites that is recently viewed or modified. Here you can use this filter for you to be able to see sites that is owned by anyone, by you, or by me, or not owned by me. And if you want to sort by modification date, all you have to do is click on the AZ icon or the sort options button. So simply click on it. And from the options, simply switch from last opened by me into last modified. From there, the sites will now be sorted by modification date. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!